Expand your vocabulary with our Core 2000 Words ebook. It's free and packed with essential expressions that you'll use on a daily basis. Start building your vocabulary today. Click the link in the description below to download your free Cantonese ebook before it's gone.
Hi everybody, my name is Marie. Welcome to the 2000 Core Cantonese Words and Phrases video series. Each lesson will help you learn new words, practice, and review what you've learned. Okay, let's get started. First is 試身 try on 試身試身 try on 試一試身 try it on 試一試身着 put on 着着 put on 唔該喺呢度着鞋 Please put on your shoes here 唔該喺呢度着鞋唔夾 clash 唔夾唔夾 clash 件衫同條褲唔夾 The shirt clashes the pants 件衫同條褲唔夾洗衫 wash clothes 洗衫洗衫 wash clothes 用洗衣機洗衫 wash clothes in a washing machine 用洗衣機洗衫亂 sew 亂亂 sew 亂衫 sewing clothes 亂衫補 mend 補補 mend 補裙 mend the dress 補裙織 knit 織織 knit 織帽 knit a hat 織帽染 dye 染染 dye 染髮 dye one's hair 染髮試身 fit our garment 試身試身 fit our garment 去裁縫度試身 fit our garment at the tailor's 去裁縫度試身火柴 match 火柴火柴 match 長火柴 long stick matches 長火柴 Let's review. Respond to the prompts by speaking aloud. First, you will hear a word or a phrase in English. Respond in Cantonese, then repeat after me, focusing on pronunciation. Ready? Do you remember how to say try on? 試身 試身 And how to say put on? 着 着 What about clash? 唔夾 唔夾 Do you remember how to say wash clothes? 洗衫 洗衫 Let's try soul. 亂亂 What about mend? 補補 Now, let's see if you remember how to say neat. 織織 Another one. What about dye? 染染 Do you remember how to say fit a garment? 試身試身 And finally, do you remember how to say match? 火柴火柴 Well done! See you next time. 再見